everyone. This is Rakesh, and today topic is we will be discussing about Azure Web Jobs. Uh, and At the end of the session, I will be walking through how to create a job in Azure portal and how to deploy it. So, first of all, in earlier videos, I have explained about cloud computing, and I have explained about the websites, and it is the continuation of that video itself. And in this one, I will be explaining about WebJob, what is it, and where we should be using it. So, uh, first of all, is your WebJob, uh, which runs in context of Azure website. What does it mean whenever you create or provision any website into Azure? Uh, Under website context, you can create web jobs. I think there is some limitation how many web jobs you can create. It should be less than 100. And you can monitor, you can dashboard all web jobs over there itself. So first question is, what is web job? So at name suggests it is jobs, and as it is part of websites, that's where it is named it web job. And it's not suitable for heavy computing jobs like we usually use any batch jobs which keep on running and process heavy computation. Here, this web job will be uh, doing some background process uh, underneath the website workspace. Means wherever your website has been provisioned in that particular VM, this job will be running. And these jobs scale with websites. Means whenever you scale your website, it will also scale with your website instances. Suppose if you are running one web job with one website, whenever your website scales to 2 or 3 instances, your job will also uh, scale out with the website itself. And we have WebJob SDK for WebJob development, and it is pretty simple to deploy and create. And you can see the WebJob history and diagnostic into the Azure website itself. So, in continuation of that, you in web jobs you can host and schedule. It's a lightweight job, and as we discussed, it is an extension of website itself, and you can uh, deploy artifacts, means your binaries, which is in forms of either exes, any commands, or any bat file, any bash file, or any JavaScript or Node.js, PHP application, Python. So these scripts files you can execute through help of web jobs. Means this will be your logic which will be executing through web job, and you will be getting dashboard experience into the Azure portal itself. Uh, and Yep. So this is the overall about the web jobs, and web job has 3 types. One is triggered, and other is schedules or continuous. So triggered type of jobs, the jobs where you will be or any manual intervention required to trigger it. For example, you can go and click it to run it, it will execute and keep it idle. Schedule uh, the schedule jobs. You have to provide this schedule file, and you have to schedule it. Based on that schedules, this job will keep on running. Means if you have scheduled 12 a.m., it will invoke 12 a.m. every day. So that's how you will be scheduling your web job, and run continuously jobs. Once you deploy and start, it will keep on continuously running. Means it once it's started, until unless you are not forcing it to stop, or you are not stopping your website, it will keep on running. So that's why we have got three kind of scheduling mechanism for the web job. Without any delay, I would like to explain one of the use case for web job, in which scenario we can use it. There are a couple of scenarios where you can be using. Uh, so, yeah, in this diagram, I would like to explain about one of the use case of the job. So, for example, if you are uploading any emails, or you are doing some log intensive operation, means your website is logging some file in some location, and you want to move that file into another location, or you want to have uh, uh, a clip, uh, or you want to uh, uh, chunk your data and send into another location. So in that scenarios, you can offload your web jobs websites uh, execution to the web job. Means most of the business logic you can offload to the web jobs when you will be uh, thinking around your business logic. For example, if you are having any request, and then there is workflow to be get completed, you can divide that workflow in different steps, and based on those steps completion, you can trigger the next steps. And if you want, you can offload heavy duty jobs to the web jobs, where it can process uh, data intensive operations. So for example, in this scenario, we have scheduled a web job, and whatever you are uploading, it will be uh, uh, doing operations offline, and accordingly whatever your content is, it will get queued into the service bus, or any queuing service if you want to use. And there you can have another, in our scenarios, uh, search worker, any searching engines you have, you can index with it, and you can store your all content into the blob, and accordingly once it gets complete, you can queue, and there will be another worker which will be fetching those data from the queue and sending the email. So this is the one of the high level use case I would like to showcase you here. Uh, so without any delay, I would like to jump into demo. So that's where I don't want to talk more about what is web jobs and its scenarios. Once you will be able to use it, you will realize that where we can use. And most important part is you are not going to pay for it extra. It comes under website plan, and uh, it will be getting charged based on the website plan, or yeah, basically plan how many instances you have opted for. So you don't need to worry about extra uh, charge for using web jobs. Yeah, another biggest part of the web job is uh, they provides WebJobs, Azure WebJob SDK. So you can utilize WebJob SDK to develop web jobs in a very easy way, and you can easily communicate with the blob, queue, tables, or service bus from the WebJob code. You can do the model banding, and it is also extensible. You can extend to call any external service as well, and all detailed execution history will be stored into the storage with the diagnostics of your web job. Apart from that, if you want to do logging, you are free to log each and every steps of your job, and either you can log into uh, the same folder where you have deployed, or you can log into event log, or any centralized logging stories. So as we are having three offering, right? Continuous, and triggered, and scheduled. So where we will be using these scenarios. So as you get to know by name itself, it's pretty explanatory, right? Triggered whenever you want to trigger once or manually, you can make it triggerable. Even if you can trigger your web jobs from webhook also. So, for example, you can write a web job in a such a way that it will keep on uh, accessing a particular URL. So, if it will get some value from it, just it will go and invoke the business logic. So that's how you can uh, design, or you can trigger a web job also through help of webhook. Uh, and in case of continuous, suppose you are having image processing business logic, where you're getting a different size of images, and you have to resize and have a profile image out of it. So for those kind of process, just you can offload that particular process to the web job, and web job will take care of, and it will give you the clip images into any centralized location, either any storage if you want to store it. In case of schedule, right? So suppose I have scenario where my websites keep on running, and I know it's daytime, it's a business hour, uh, and there are some cleanup work which I want to do for my website. For example, log purging, or whatever log has been generated from the website access log. I would like to grab those data and put into any data source. So for that kind of process, I can schedule web jobs to run in night time, where my business business is not getting heavily used. So these are the three scenario you can think of where to use uh, web jobs triggered or continuous or scheduled. So without further delay, I would like to move to demo where you will be uh, going through how to create a web jobs and what are the different way to create it and deploy it and configure it. So in last demo, I have created one website which is free tier, and in that free tier, I would like to create a web job, and I will be deploying a simple uh, sample which will showcase that the job has been executed, and we will see in three different uh, 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 scenarios like we will be scheduling it through help of scheduler and continuous and triggered as well. Okay, all right. So this is our website. I would like to uh, reiterate. So this is my demo 6 web. It's a website which I have created, and if I will browse it, you will be able to see uh, it's a demo site which I was having earlier. Yep. So this is the demo app where it's a pretty simple website. In previous session, I have explained about it. So in this website, as it is running, right, once you will scroll it down, you will be able to see different options. So let me adjust it. So you will scroll it down and you will find option for the web job. Yep, here it is. So just you have to click it. This is the web job, and here you will be getting its control. This is add where you want to add a new web job. This is refresh. You want to refresh this page. You want to go to the log or you want to delete particular web jobs. And this is a property where you can see the web job property. So here we don't have any web job as of now. Before starting here, what I will do, I will go quickly and I will create a one uh, exe, a simple exe file where we will be uh, writing some console which will just write down hello world. We don't have console over there, so obviously we will not be able to see, but at least we can log some information in a particular file. With that same file will be exist into uh, that particular folder. So that's how I want to uh, utilize this particular demo. Okay, all right. So just to get prepared with the sample code, I paused this video and in interest of time, I have created a sample console application and where my console application name is WebJob Demo 1, and here simply I have written console.writeLine hello rockers, this is your demo web job. So what I will do, I will simply go ahead and build this application. So just build, and if it is goes well, it will build successful. I don't think it should take time. Yep, all right. So build has been successful, and as I need this exe, right, it will generate one exe. So what I will do, I will go here and open where its bin has been generated. So as you are able to see, right, inside the bin we are having so many artifacts. So yeah, instead of going all details about all this, what I will do, I will zip it, and yeah, this is our executable which we will be deploying into Azure. So okay, all right. So we came back into our Azure portal where we are in the job sections of that particular website. And now I'm going to create a new web job. Once you will click on add new job, it will ask for your name. So just I will give it um, demo one, and here it will ask to provide the artifact, right? So what I will do, I will go ahead and I will uh, copy that path where I have my zip and browse it. So this is my web job demo one zip, and the type. This is type, right? So one is triggered and second one is continuous. So in trigger, we are having scheduled or uh, on demand, right? So basically we say it on demand and continuous, or triggered and continuous. So in triggered means either it will get triggered from the manual intervention, you have to click on it start, or it will get triggered based on the schedule. So in case of triggered, yeah, let's go through the trigger first. And in triggers, you have to define either you want to go with manual or schedule. So we will go one by one all three cases. So here I have chosen manual. So I will click on OK. It should go and it will create a web job demo one for us. Right. All right. So we have added, deployed one web job with our sample exe. That exe, whenever it will run, just it will uh, invoke and write some text, whatever we have written into console. So it is manual. So that's where what do you we have to do? We have to trigger it, start it. So once you will click on this job, here you will be getting options to see the logs and other action item will get active. So here I'm going to run it, and are you sure you want to run selected jobs? I will say yes, and it's started running. So what happened? This is triggered actually. It's on demand. Whenever I have I want, I will come here and I will invoke it. So let's invoke once more. Yep. Again it will ask, and it's did the job and it's completed. Right. All right. So it says its status also completed 3 minutes ago. How to check what it did? So for example, I will select here and I will go to logs. As it is loading here, yeah, I will try to explain some more other stuff as well. For example, here in properties, right? So once you will click on property, whatever name you have given, status and type is triggered. And if you want to uh, uh, Invoke through the webhook. You will able to invoke through webhook as well. I will be covering all these details in advance uh, videos. So this is the username and password underneath this web job is running. This is nothing but um, FTP path through which it has been deployed. So as we have already logged into this portal with admin right, so I'm able to supersede all these access and able to deploy it. So yeah, let's go to the log. Let's see what log says. Yeah, so in the log we landed here, and it shows that 5 minutes ago, and it took 651 millisecond to run this. So I will click on demo one, and it was success. So in demo one, recent job runs, how many time it has run, you can see here. One time it has run 6 minutes ago, and second one is 5 minutes. Uh, if you want to see more detail what it did, just you have to click on particular. So it shows the 6 minutes ago it took this was millisecond running time, and this is the unique ID for each and every invoke, and this is the log actually. This is by default log. We haven't did anything. So whenever Java starts, there are phases, right? So status change into initializing. It initializes and run that script. It found there is a exe versus WebJob demo one, and which scripts host Windows. It is type of Windows script, so it will be taken care by Windows script host. And status changed to running, and now it's been changed to in initializing phase. It's data identification, what is executable, and what would be the corresponding host. All this decision has been made, and now the status has been changed to running. And finally, if you will see here, this is the log. This is the final console output, whatever we have wrote in our job. It's hello world, hello Rakesh. This is your demo web job, and its status has been changed. It's automatically it changed to success. So see how simple it is, and you don't need to take care about all when job has been started and initializing and all that. It's been taken care by the platform itself. So that's the beauty of PaaS, which we can leverage in our code and take advantage of Azure job. So that's the web job sample demo one. With the same executable, I would like to show you different uh, types. For example, this was in triggered, which was manual, and in triggered scenario itself, one is scheduled. So I will upload the same executable, I will schedule, and then we will see it is running every 5 minutes or not. All right. So for schedule job, let's create a new job, which will be demo to schedule scheduled. I'm going to use same binary, and it will be triggered, but triggered will be scheduled. And cron expression, I will not go in much detail how cron expression has been wrote. So cron expression, it's expression for scheduling the jobs. If you have been in these scenarios, you will be knowing. But if you want to learn, you can easily learn it. It's pretty straightforward. So I will take one cron expression through which we will be scheduling this job to run every 5 minutes. So I have handy that cron expression. For example, this is the cron expression which will run this particular job every 5-minute interval. So without any delay, I'm going to click OK, and once it get deployed, it will list it here. Demo 2 has been, yep, demo 2 schedule job has been, and status is ready. So this is the scheduled one. Without any delay, I would like to go and invoke and upload continuous as well. So demo 3 continuous, and I will choose the same binary for sake of demo, and here I'm going to use continuous, where this job will keep on running continuous. Yep. So yeah, so adding WebJob failed, demo continuous. Okay, so I got some error. So what is the issue? We have to look into it. So yeah, let's go here and run this job meanwhile. So in this job, right, it is in ready state, and I think we should be waiting for it to be get invoked automatically. But let me run through manual. This is the one. This is the, yeah. Yep. So what I did, just I have invoked it. So so that one will be the manual invocation, and it will keep on executing every uh, 5 minutes. And this is the third job. It's came already. Demo 3 continuous, pending restart. I think we have to start this job to keep on running. Um, I have started it. If it is goes well, it should run. But it seems like it has some issue. It might be because of free tier, and our website is free free quota as well, so that's where it might be giving some issue. But what we will do, we will delete these jobs, and then we will try to run the continuous one. So let's go and see the triggered one log. So this is the web jobs. uh, yeah, this is the web job demo one. That's the actually exe name, executable name, and this is our job name, demo 2 scheduled. So it has been invoked 2 times. That means it's automatically ran after 5 minutes. Let me refresh. If it is reached 5 minutes, once again it should come another entry as well. So yeah, we will wait for it, and we'll show. So here also you can go through in the log uh, details, and you can see that this is the host and status has been changed, and it's ran once again. All right, yeah. So yep, let's wait for it. This is the job demo one. And this is a job demo 2 where we have scheduled one. Uh, I would like to, yep. So here we are having all jobs. This is demo one, demo two. It's 6 minutes ago. It has been run. Uh, yeah, it will take 5 more minutes. It seems to go through the third iteration. We will wait for it and we will see later at some point of time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete demo one right now, and if required, I will be deleting demo um, two as well, but I will leave for it. Uh, and I'm going to restart website. It might be that will resolve that problem. So I refreshed, still it's asking pending for restart. So I'm refreshing here. So I will click on WebJob overview and I will restart just to make sure that continuous jobs goes into running mode. So yeah, again come to the WebJob and continuous schedule web job require always on. Okay, all right, yeah. So this is the one of the website feature you have to enable in your app, because uh, there is a very big thought around it. It's website, right? So it doesn't mean you have deployed your website; it will always keep on running. It's a shared mode, means if your website is not getting accessed very frequently, it will go into uh, cool mode, means it will not be in memory and consuming the resources. So if you want to make it always in on, means your web application should be always in hot mode, you have to go and change its property. So from where you have to change, just you have to go to its property, website properties, because of net speed, it's a bit slow. Hi all. We were planning to deploy our continuous web jobs. We were having some uh, limitation into our uh, free version of website plan, and where we cannot uh, make our website always on. So that's where what I did quickly behind the scene. I have created a new website, web app, that is demo web 9, which is the standard one, which will be costing some money around it. I have bought it, not an issue for demo purpose. I shouldn't get more charge for that. Um, and here you guys are able to see, right? I'm getting always on, and it's application setting of that particular web app, and here always on. I'm getting option where I can make it on. So after making it on, I have to make it save, and now I will go to this web job section. Similarly, I will follow the same step and I will upload the job. For As I have increased the plan, you are able to see that speed is pretty fast. Continuous. Let's not worry about the spellings, and without any delay, I will be using same demo web job 1 continuous, and multi-instance or single instance based on the load. I'm getting option here to scale it. I will be making single instance. So yeah, that's it. I have uploaded here, and as I will be uploading and it will done, it should keep on running here, and it will show us the log. All right, yeah. So it's still initializing as you were seeing the status. Yeah, pending to restart. And what I will do, I will click here and yes, and I will start it. Once I will start, let's give a try for the web instance itself because it's tightly coupled with web instance. So let it get started and okay, yeah, might be it's running very fast and we are not able to see it. So let's evaluate its log where we will be able to get more insight. Alright, so as I have clicked on its log, once we are landing on this log page, let me click again. These are the web jobs for this demo 6. Here also it's a pointing pending to restart, right? And last run continuously. So it is keep on running, guys. And once you go into its log, here you'll be seeing pending to start. It's running very frequently. So it has ran uh, in this duration where it has given this log. Okay, and just 30 seconds ago, I think it's ran once again. So it is keep on running, and you will be seeing its output, right? Yep. So in continuous, the job is keep on running, and for the triggered one, I would like to show that sample as well, where it is keep on invoking after each and every 5 minutes. For example, just 4 minutes it's invoked, and again after before 5 minutes, it has been invoked again. So you can see that trigger a scheduled job is also getting triggered after each and every 5 minutes based on the cron job expression. So that's all on the web job for now. And one more thing, yeah, we were discussing about how many jobs we can create under a website. It's totally depend upon what kind of plan quota you have. So for the free, maximum 5 jobs you can create, and for the basic and other is standard jobs collections, you can have a 50 job. So that's all from my side. Thank you guys. Please keep on commenting and subscribing so that I will get motivated and keep on publishing more videos around Azure and its services. Thanks for watching.